So what is BI Quick Launch? For business objects, we've got Crystal Report templates and samples, universes, that semantic layer. We connect all those to the direct access to your JD Edwards transactional data. We can also feed data off to another data store, point to that. If you want to retransform the data for whatever reason, like a data warehouse, star schema, we have ETL to do that. Our implementation, we do installation and configuration of the business object software. We resell the business object software, so you can buy that through us. We then install and configure that with our best practices recommendations. We do all of our training against JD Edwards data on your site using your JD Edwards data. Our goal really as a business, we've got a little different model than a lot of other consulting companies and vendors out there where they're looking for these huge consulting contracts. And we do have some customers that look to us because they've got so many other projects and they know we can crank out the reports that they need in a short time frame. But our goal is really to transfer our knowledge of how to do it right to your team so you guys are successful, self-sufficient. And we do that by not only doing one-on-one consulting where we're sharing a desktop and helping you through the obstacles. We also have a knowledge base on our website. We do user group meetings multiple times throughout the year where we do tips and tricks sessions, show some of the new functionality, how to address certain challenges that people might face. And then from a consulting, really custom report design or other BI-related tasks we can help you with as well. We all have a catalog. We have a catalog of our Crystal Report templates and samples. If you want access to that, let us know. The semantic layer, again, we have over 30 of those across a variety of different JD Edwards modules. You can do that directly connected to JD Edwards, or we can use ETL that we've built out to feed that data offline as well. So here's kind of an example of some of the different modules: GL, AR, AP, sales order, inventory procurement, enterprise asset management, job cost, contract billing, HR payroll, manufacturing, and property management. Those are the current modules that we do support. If you have others that are on your list, we'd be happy to kind of give you an idea of what it might take to add those, or where they are in our development cycle as well. I didn't show it today, but we do have a utility that allows you to help mine the data model of JD Edwards if you're looking for specific fields and you're not sure which table a field might be in, or what the data type is of a certain field. It's called our JD Edwards Table Enquiry, and part of our maintenance program allows you to have access to that as well. So implementation time frame, if you were going with business objects, that takes about a couple days, pretty much a day to download and install the software. We have a kind of an implementation plan of all the configurations, and based on your availability to ride shotgun on that's going through that, really within a matter of days you're going to have the business objects properly configured with disaster recovery and test and development as well as production licenses. Then we get to our BI Quick Launch, the stuff for JD Edwards. Our universes, really within 1 to 2 days we can get those installed. Our Crystal Report templates and samples, over 100 of those, get installed within a couple days, 2 to 3 days. And then we actually go through a handful of management operating statements, those income statements and balance sheets, and we tailor them to your specific requirements and your row hierarchies and drill down, and those are also within a few days can be configured. So really within like a week's time, you've accomplished what most companies might spend in over a year trying to get off the ground. So that's kind of our implementation timeline for the end-to-end BI of business objects.